One of the most common tools used among flatbed truckers are winch bars. These tools are used on winches to tighten down loads using winch straps. On our video about our ratcheting winch cap, we got a comment asking why the nozzle at the end is bent and not straight. So to answer that question, we're going to take a look at all the common types of winch bars you can come across and what they're used for. So let's start off with your standard winch bar. This is made out of carbon steel and has grooves on the bar for better grip. At the end is a nozzle that goes into the holes of the winch to tighten it down. The grooves on the nozzle help prevent the bar from slipping out of the hole, and the bent shape is meant to help with efficiency in tightening down without ever having to pull the bar out. Watch as I start with the nozzle facing down, and finish with the nozzle facing up. The amount tightened is higher than that of the nozzle if it was straight. Next up is a combination winch bar. It's called a combination bar because it features the same handle and nozzle of the previous bar, but also has a modified end for tightening chain lever binders, usually referred to as a cheater bar. This end slides onto the handle of a chain binder and is used to help you fully close down the binder. Another bar you'll see is an Ergo Winch Bar. These bars share similarities with standard bars, however this one has a bent handle and a flared end on the nozzle for more ease of use if needed. Speaking of ease of use, there are other types of bars that are specified in this area. Ratcheting winch bars help speed the tightening process along by allowing you to turn a winch into a ratcheting winch without ever having to take the bar out of the holes. Just attach the bar to the winch and you're set to go. Standard bars also feature a nozzle at the end, but a combination bar also features a lever binder tightener. And finally, one that we've talked about a lot is our very own torque drive winch bar. This one is black powder coated and features a half-inch drive specifically for torque winches, as well as a standard nozzle for standard winches. And those are essentially all of the winch bars you can come across. Hopefully now you have a better understanding of winch bars, and when it comes time to choose one for yourself, you know exactly what you need. If you're looking for one right now, you can find all of these bars and more at myteeproducts.com.